Okay, we got the new set in here. So now we got clearance again. Hard to see in there. See a little bit of play. There we go. So these all have clearance now too, but these two gears are tight. Mainly the number one. And there's a little bit of clearance in it now. This one has clearance, but it's tight. So I don't think it's tight on the cam. Makes you feel the drag in the crank when the gear teeth get tight over here. The whole thing's tight right now. Let's go back over here. It's tight. Alright, so I don't like tight gears. So these need to be worked on. These over here are loose. There's no drag on these. So these two cams are fine. I think the cam's fine to the crank. I think it's just the cam to cam is the problem. And it will wear itself in over time, but meantime it's going to make a little noise probably. So if you run open exhaust pipes, you might not hear it. So in a race bike, we don't want to hear those noises. But I don't have tight cams on my race bike, they're loose. Everything's loose in a race bike. You want it to be loose so it can float. If you don't loose on a race bike, it will burn up. And suck up horsepower. That's even more important, it sucks up horsepower. So we don't care if it burns up, we just care if it goes slow. Fix it anyway, doesn't matter. Alright, one left. Okay. Well, it's time for that to be in use. Where'd that go? Where's this one go? I don't know. Came from somewhere. Came from here. Yeah, I spoke too soon. Bring up the caliper again. Nice. Like I made just a big mess. My shirt caught it. Lack of room. Okay, that was 10. 12, 16. Now I get stuff all mixed up now. That still has 2 on it. That has 1. That only has 1 shim on it. 9. We had that at 20, didn't we? Yep. Where's this one at? 27. I don't think that was a 27. Okay, that must have been. Maybe. I don't remember. Don't know. Yeah, we'll find out. Okay, this one here. 30. That only had 1 shim on it. Then 1. That will be reusing. That will be reusing. I'm going to take these 2 out of the picture because we're not using these anymore. So, these here. So did we lap these or not already? I don't remember. knows they're tight right now. Here's my lapping compound. What grit are we going to use? 80. That might be a little too coarse for you. Do you like 80 grit?
Mm.
That's 100 and something. That one's 50.
Getting coarser.
That's called coarse. That's for heavy duty stuff.
It's like a
That's like
can full of rocks.
Yeah, I just like throw gravel on there. Yeah, that's what it feels like too. I think this says 100 on it, or 100 and something, 140. I don't know. Read the can. 120. There you go. This is extra fine. So we're only going to do the small gear here. Where's the goop at? There we go. Smear it around a little bit in places. That'll be close enough. All right. Take the 2 washers. We need to double check to make sure that's correct. All right. My dirty rag I'm gonna need this week. We need a new dirty rag. That's the new dirty rag. Yeah, it's really oily. Keep that stuff away from everybody else. Okay, we already know this one's good. So put that up there. Okay, so now you got to make sure these go exactly the same 2 teeth you're going to use. Otherwise, it kind of defeats the purpose of lapping when you're lapping the wrong part. Boom, boom. Everything lines up. She doesn't want to go together. That's because of the lapping compound. Got to make room for the gears to go on, see? Okay, so you'll put screws where the pressure is going to be. It's going to be over here on this half of the cover. All right. It doesn't want to rotate. See? There's a tight spot right there. The hardest place to get to. When a tight spot goes away, then you know you're getting close. Now with a real long stroke motor and a small bore, you really got to dance around to keep these rods from digging in the flux inside the cylinders here. It's tight there, see. Freeze up, it's tight again. So we need to do this for a little while. It doesn't hurt to go backwards. What RPM am I going?
It's like an idle.
I'm clearancing out that part that's hit. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Give us some time to get here. Alright, so it's getting pretty free now. Tight spot was through here. So it cycles through. Make sure the change where it belongs. Alright, I think we're close enough. Take it apart, clean it up, see what's going on. Somehow that got a little tight on that side again. I think somebody might have mixed up all the shims, what do you think? Not sure how that happened though. Down the hole. Stay in there. Make sure there's no burnishing going on and bushing in there. Looks pretty good. Make sure there's no residue in here from the lopping compound. Wherever the lopping compound is, you got to douche it. So. Smoothed up a little bit. So it'll have to be cleaned up really, really well. She pulls out. All right, we don't want that in here right now. Oop, on the bench. Okay, no lapping compound more. Ooh, lots of lapping compound. Not a good sign. Get this shim out of here without getting goop all over it. Or me. Get a little lapping comp on my finger there, see that? Alright, so we have to clean that up there. So give me a towel, we'll wipe that out. What we got?